Alabama Adventure is an amusement park located in Bessemer, Alabama, and with it being home to almost 30 attractions, there is no wonder it is so popular. However, today we are going to count down the top 5 rides at Alabama Adventure. Starting off at number 5, we have Centi-Speed. And no matter whether you want to take a ride on your very own centipede or you are just looking for a fun family attraction, then I promise you that this caterpillar coaster won't bug you at all. Ding ding. Okay, that was a horrendous joke. However, this ride sure isn't, with as soon as you've shrunken down to the size of a bug and then boarded the centipede, you heading around a humongous garden whilst also completing many twists, turns, drops and even a few airtime hills, and so I would feel wrong not putting this funfair classic on our top 5 list. You can't have a theme park without a pirate ship ride, and Alabama Adventure is no exception. As for our number 4 spot, we have the Galleon, and if you think you have what it takes to sail across the 7 seas, then you should jump aboard, as this is an experience that will never be forgotten. However, nor is it easy sailing, as especially if you manage to get that beloved back or front row experience, words literally cannot describe how crazy that rocking back and forth, higher and higher sensation is. And so when also taking into account the awesome pirate theming, a trip to the park would be nowhere near complete without a ride. Here we are at the top 3 rides at the park, and for our number 3 spot we have Tilt-A-Whirl, the park's believe it or not Tilt-A-Whirl flat ride, and with it being so common around the world, before we even begin to talk about the experience itself, if you are visiting the park on a busy day, then we would suggest riding the more unique attractions first. Yet if you do get a chance to ride, you will definitely not be disappointed, with in a nutshell your freely spinning 3-person gondola being connected to a spinning plate that is then also connected to another plate that will spin and rise you up and down, which is pretty insane if you ask me. Who wants to fly through the air? Well, of course you do, but do you know that our number 2 position, Yo-Yo, you can do just that, with it being Alabama's Adventure swing ride. And for anyone who has not done one of these before, then you are in for a treat, because as soon as you have boarded one of the many different seats, not only will you be lifted and tilted high in the air, but then you will also spin around faster and faster and faster for the entire 2-minute duration, causing both your seat to swing outwards and you to have an experience which you do not need to be a rocket scientist to know is intense and awesome at the exact same time. We have made it to the number 1 spot, and in our opinion for the best ride at the park, we have got no other than Rampage. And where do I begin when talking about this ride? As if I was going to talk about every great part, we would literally be here all day. Yet to start from the beginning, as soon as you walk into the park and see this 120-foot wooden structure, you will instantly want to take a ride. And you should definitely do just that, as with all of its steep drops, bank turns and airtime hills that you will complete at a speed of 56 miles per hour, no matter whether it is your first, second or 100th time riding, you are sure to have a blast. and so I think it is very easy to see why this is at our number 1 spot. Thank you all for watching, and see you next time. Bye bye.